and welcome to today's video here. A video that I always enjoy making and one that I feel like you guys enjoy watching. So hey, win-win-win all around. I have got my Stitch Fix for this month and I am so excited to crack on in, see what we get, see what they sent me. I think I requested things on time, if I'm remembering correctly. I think I requested a new pair of shorts, you know, the kind of shorts that more like mid-thigh to the knee-ish kind of a length. I might have asked for some kind of like a cottony type sundress type thing. Now I'm not remembering. I also might have asked for a pair of sandals, but I don't think I did that. But I think I meant to. Either way, there will always be another fix in the future. Well, will there always be? Not necessarily. But that being said, for those who don't know, just real quick, Stitch Fix, it's not a subscription. I always want to say it's a clothing subscription, but it's not. You actually get to choose when and how often you want to get your fix, your Stitch Fix. So it's not a subscription in that, you know, it comes every month. You can have it set to every 2 weeks if you want. You can have it set to every other month if you want. You can have it set to only send it to me when I request a fix type of thing. And then you take your style quiz. You've got your stylist there at Stitch Fix that will put together 5 items for you in a box. Sometimes it's accessories, sometimes it is shoes, oftentimes it is clothing. The majority of it is clothing, and it's super fun, I think. I love Stitch Fix, I really do. I always have my affiliate code linked down below if you want to go ahead and sign up through that. As I said, it's an affiliate code, so not only does it earn me some kickback, but it also will earn you kickback on your first box. I do believe you essentially get it for free, like you get 20 or 25 bucks off, so that'll cover your styling fee. Hopefully I'm not misleading anyone on that. It's saying that it's pretty much like getting your first Stitch Fix for free, but I really do think it is, unless you end up wanting to keep any of the things that were sent to you, in which case, sorry, you gotta pay for that. But if you don't want to keep anything, they provide you with the pre-stamped mailer envelope that you throw everything in and send it in the mail and good to go. So I think the shorts, I think we got some red shorts, you guys. That part I didn't request, but it looks like we've got some good stuff in here, hopefully. Definitely some nice, kind of more spring colors than summer colors, but that's okay. Let's see what we have got for today. Ooh, this looks like a cute thing. A cute little, ooh, yes. I love the colors on that. That's really cute. It's like a muted, because I don't know that I would call it pastel except for that peach in there, but it's like a muted cream top, and the striping has like a muted black, peach, and red to it. And it looks like it's not quite a t-shirt, but like it's not a tank top. You get what I'm saying? I really like tops like this. They tend to be, I think, flattering on my broader shoulders. It feels really nice and lightweight and breathable. And at the bottom, it's got like that. It's not knotted, but you know, where it swoops to the bottom. So that's exciting. Really nice and soft. We'll see how that looks. That was from Max Studio, I think it says. Next we've got something from Market and Spruce. Oh, how adorable. It's got buttons down the back. Love that. This feels like a nice, lightweight, almost cottony kind of a material. Let's see what this actually is made out of. Literally no cotton. It's 48% rayon, 48% polyester, and 4% spandex. I mean, when you're wrong, I guess. It does have a nice stretch to it, but it's got these really cute sleeves where it's got the joop joop. I don't know what that's called. It's like kind of a petal, like an opening rosebud petal. But the front is really plain. It just looks like a plain t-shirt with a kind of heathered gray and black stripe to it. But yeah, it's got those buttons down the back, which just gives it a little extra character, and I clearly enjoy my stripes. So no complaints here. Looks like we did get an actual tank top. I don't think I own anything in this color pink. I don't know that it's a good color for me. We'll see. I feel like it kind of brings out the scars on my arms, but feels like a really nice soft top. Created in Los Angeles, cloth and stone. There is 0 stretch to this, so hopefully it fits across my bosom. It's really cute though. I mean, it's got the V in the front and the back for the tank, and then it's got these really cute, aren't these called eyelets or something? That type of button. Don't look at my face, look at the buttons. that kind of button. It's really cute. It's a very feminine top. It's a lot more feminine, I guess, than I typically go for, but that being said, it's a really pretty top. And then, do we have a dress? I think so. This might be a little too frilly cutesy for me. I mean, do I strike you as a frills kind of a person, dear stylist of mine? I must, because you sent this to me. I mean, the rest of it looks really cute. It's a really nice periwinkle sky blue with a bit of robin's egg to it, with a bit of a, would you call it an abstract polka dot kind of a pattern. And then the top is one of those ones with like the keyhole tie. This is from Collective Concepts. Like I said, it's a little frilly for me. It's a little frilly, and I don't know. I'm trying to get better about showing off my arms, but I feel like that's just gonna draw attention to my arms. And then for shorts, okay, these aren't necessarily my kind of style short. These are a little corporate for me, I guess, with these kind of a pocket in the back and this kind of a front. Do you get what I'm saying? It's got the clasp and everything. This is from Market and Spruce, and it's a nice kind of like salmon red. You get what I'm saying. They are very soft. We're gonna have to wait and see. Let's try it on. Alrighty, my friends, here are the first couple of pieces we have got. This I think is just a little too tight in weird places. Like around my hip, it's a little too snug, I think. Maybe it's supposed to be that way, but then also you can see it's tugging at my bust a bit. I can't even imagine if I had a real bra on how much it would be tugging. But I like the concept of it, yeah? From here up, if this were to, boop, I mean, maybe I would just have to like sew that down myself or something, but I like that concept right here. Yeah? But then, like I said, it's too tight around the waist or the hip, maybe, because I don't think it's supposed to go up any higher. I don't know. I mean, these shorts fit me pretty dang well. I think the crotch is a little bit that on me, but they're super soft and the length is really good. They fit my butt, but they're just really not my style. Yeah, I knew this was gonna happen with this one. I mean, there is just no stretch, and so it just sad pancakes my boobs in the saddest pancake of ways. But like, I mean, I like I really like the thought. First off, this material would probably be a nightmare for someone like me who doesn't own an iron to try and upkeep with, but it is so soft. I like the little buttons, but it's just too tight. Too tight. I like pancakes, but not on my boobs. This t-shirt, is it bad? I mean, I would wear it with a different bra, like an actual bra, you guys, but for now this is what I have on. But like, does it make me look like I'm just busting out on the arms? Does it make me look, I don't know. Something's telling me it's not super flattering. But like, it's really comfy. I mean, the length of it is perfect. As I said, I love the buttons down the back. That is a detail that I am always on board with, but you can just see every little thing through this t-shirt. All the fasteners and the seam on my bralette. I don't know. I mean, it would be cute for in a video, sitting there. I can't, you guys. This is just... It's so not me. I mean, it comes to a perfect length at my knee. I just feel like I mean, I know a lot of y'all think I'm a grandma anyways, but like this top, I just think is very, aging on me, I guess I'd say. It's just, it's not my style, like, in the slightest. I bet it's even worse when this is tied. I undid the tie so I could get it over my head without getting foundation on it, but yeah, no. That's a solid no for me, dog. All right, so kind of a bummer of a box, not gonna lie. I think y'all would agree. Kind of sort of really missed the mark on my style, I think, but let's find out. hello. See if I got my same stylist as usual, or if it was someone new. No, it was my same stylist. Girl, you had been doing so good for me. It's okay, you tried. Okay, so, ping, here's what Emily has to say. It says that, I'm sorry, last fix was a miss, but I always appreciate your honest feedback, and I hope to have turned things around for you with my picks today. Yep, I requested a cute lightweight short sleeve dress for the day. Unfortunately, they didn't have any apparently that fit the bill. I'm sorry, but she put in this blue one for me to try out. I mean, it's cute. It's just not for me. It's just not. You also noted you were looking for a pair of longer jean shorts. I've struck out on those as well. I'm so sorry. I've pulled a cute coral pair. I hope you'll love these just as much. Enjoy and take care. Best, Emily. Girl, you tried. You tried. Like, even the outfit suggestions, not for me. Like, I don't know, maybe kind of that would go for me, but like these, I'm not so sure. I think these ones are probably the most spot on. But then this one again, like, when would I ever wear any of that? I wouldn't. I just find that a bit strange that at Stitch Fix, they don't have any jean shorts that aren't like short shorts. You know what I mean? But let's see what things cost. The pancake boob peach top is $64. No, thank you. This top is $58, which it just didn't fit me quite right, but I did like it in concept. The shorts are $54, which, I mean, these feel like really nice shorts. I just can't see myself ever wearing them. The dress is $74, which no. Truly, this dress feels like a $35, maybe $40 dress. And then the button-down top is $48, which I might keep it just to, cause you know, my styling credit, my $20 would go towards that instead of just going towards nothing. I think I might keep that one and see how it does. You guys should certainly let me know how you think my stylist did for me this time around. Do you think I'm crazy? Were these things actually good for me? I know I'm looking forward to my next fix. I feel like it can't get much worse. I feel so bad saying that. I mean, it could get worse. Now, in terms of maybe nothing fit me and it was all not my style, that would be worse. But in any case, I think next Stitch Fix, we're gonna do a lot better. Yeah, I'm rooting for you, Emily. We shall see. You guys should just, as I said, let me know how they did and what you thought of the things in the comments down below. Again, I've got my affiliate link in the description box if you want to go ahead and check Stitch Fix out for yourself. I know this was probably not the most dazzling review to get you wanting to try out Stitch Fix, but you know, it's a gamble. That's the thing. You're having someone else pick out clothes for you. I think it's fun to try on different things. So if you do too, maybe you'll like Stitch Fix as well, even though you don't always get things that you end up wanting to keep. Blah, blah, blah. I am very good at these Minnesotan goodbyes, so I could go on for 20 more minutes saying goodbye to you, but I will end it there. I hope you guys enjoyed the video. If you did, please do go ahead, give me a thumbs up down below. I would really appreciate it. And if you're new here, hey, hi, hello, how are you? You can go ahead and subscribe. You can tippity tap that notification bell down below. Become a member of my casserole family here on my channel. I would love to have you here. And as always, I just hope you guys are all doing well. And until next time, just stay well until then. Bye!